Tired of stakeholders constantly asking for updates on your Trello projects? I'm going to show you how to create a free observer role within Trello, so people can view without messing anything up. First, the guest account trick. Create a dedicated guest observer Trello account using a separate email address. This will act as your Redditly profile. Next, invite this guest observer account to your Trello board as a standard member. Don't worry, we'll limit its permissions. Now, this is key. Educate the guest observer user, letting them know that they are there to only view, not move, edit, or delete anything. They're an observer, not a participant. Create a list called Archive Read Only and ensure your guest observer account has access to it. This acts as a project snapshot location. Periodically, move completed cards into this Archive Read Only list. The observer account can then easily see what's been done without altering the active board. For extra efficiency, use Trello's built-in automation, Butler, to automatically move completed cards to the archive list. This reduces manual work and keeps your observer updated. And that's it, you've created a free Trello observer role, keeping everyone informed without the risk of unwanted changes. Like and subscribe for more Trello tips and tricks.